Right, hello YouTube. This is code_dude03 recording a programming video, which is kind of appropriate. It's the first programming video on the Code Dude channel, which is interesting. So basically, yeah, we've got this Python script here that I've been writing because I'm making a motorized GLaDOS voice assistant. This is what I've written today. Uh, It's basically like a couple of different websites all mashed together to do one simple job. Ish.
And commence the crappy music from YouTube.
Wait, you mean the Portal soundtrack?
No, the crappy music from YouTube which you're gonna overlay on the video.
Oh, no, I probably won't bother with this because I want them to actually hear this commentary.
Alright.
Anyway, that Portal video, if you want to go check it out, please do. Remember to like and subscribe. I'm a classic YouTuber.
No,
Haha,
you're
don't care.
just a sellout.
No, so yeah, this is probably just you're gonna hear me talking like this. It's a lot more depressing, I know. I should probably just get on with the video right now. Um, so yeah, basically the way it works is we've got this nicely defined speech recognition section, which Jackson's on Witcher. Okay.
Can I
Um,
explain something to the viewers afterwards?
yes, of course. So and then you got this bit down here. If name equals main, this is if you import this entire file into a different program, you can just use this speech recognition bit. But for the purpose of this, I'm just keeping it in one file for now. But yeah, that's just in case I need to use this voice recognition for anything else. So it's fairly simple. It just sets up the recognizer and the microphone. And up here we are using the Google Web Speech API, not the cloud-based one, which I believe you have to pay for or activate to get some API key. This one, it comes shipped by default with speech recognition Python package, which we've imported up here. And you have to pip install speech recognition, play sound, simple audio. I don't know whether I did for random, I can't remember. But yeah, basically it just loops until it hears Hey GLaDOS, I believe. But only once I
Okay,
say that
GLaDOS.
separately, because otherwise I'd be activating it right now. It's not exactly the best recognition yet. Need to fine tune it a bit. And then once it's heard Hey GLaDOS there, we go down into here and it listens for commands that are totally unique. So I'll just give it a go. Hey GLaDOS. So now it's listening to me, and now it wants a command. So it's just going to take this in for now. I've got to be quiet so that it finishes listening to this bit. Sing a song. Oh crap, I just buggered that up. Sing a song.
Oh good. This was a triumph. I'm making a
Not sure whether I want to listen to this whole thing. I mean, I'm not sure if I get copyrighted actually for having this all in here.
Is it actually playing the audio?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, probably then. Probably just have like 5 seconds or something.
Stop. There we go. It's got a nice easy voice command to stop playing as well, which took a little bit of digging. Sing a song.
Oh good.
Also, it rotates between the two official tunes, which is a nice little thing.
Well, here we are again. It's always such a pleasure.
Stop.
Remember when you tried to...
Right, so that's pretty much all the commands it has right now.
I need to say
Oh,
something.
it has something. One sec. Hello. Hello.
Hello, and again, welcome to the Aperture Science Computer-Aided Enrichment Center.
Thanks. That doesn't actually do anything yet. I will have to program these responses. Go away. and that basically puts the program back into its hibernation state, so that the assistant won't listen to me until I say, "Hey GLaDOS" again. Hey GLaDOS. There we go, and we're back on. What is the date? Oh, it got it right. Okay, yeah, that's literally all the commands it has at the minute. So I'm just gonna end the video now. So
No,
yeah,
no, no,
enjoy.
no, I need to say
Oh,
something.
okay. McChicken wants to say something.
For all those who are building PCs over the summer holidays, take Int Jackson's advice. The more power consumption from a graphics card, the better it is. Keep that in mind.
Yeah, great idea.